Up first this evening, a parliamentary committee has lambasted PETROJAM for developing the terms under which a forensic audit will be done into the losses of hundreds of thousands of barrels of oil in its operation.
Members of Parliament's Public Accounts Committee said it's a case of PETROJAM being on trial and at the same time appointing the judge, jury and prosecutor, and that's unacceptable.
In related news, it appears another senior manager may be forced to leave the scandal-hit oil refinery. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm was in the sitting and now joins us live. Andrea?
Thank you very much, Archie and Janella. Well, after a month of emails and heated exchanges, Parliament's Public Accounts Committee, PAC, finally met today to discuss the damning report from the Auditor General into the operations of PETROJAM. Now, you will remember that on December 11, the PAC had to abruptly end its sitting because the Clerk of the Houses pulled her staff, arguing that the meeting was not properly convened. And now there seems to be a difficulty getting minutes for that meeting. So today, PAC members spent a lot of time rehashing the last encounter to ensure that all the issues are properly recorded. But the pending forensic audit for PETROJAM took the spotlight. Over 600,000 barrels of oil valuing $5.2 billion unaccounted for by PETROJAM over the last 5 years. To dig deeper, PETROJAM has completed the terms of reference TOR for that forensic audit.
PETROJAM will proceed to market to procure a consultant to undertake that forensic audit of oil losses.
But that update from the Permanent Secretary, Sansia Bennett-Templer, did not sit well with PAC Chairman Mark Golding and other committee members.
The scoping of the terms of reference for the forensic audit is vital because it will determine exactly what the forensic auditors are looking for or not looking for. And to have this decided internally and with the input of PETROJAM itself, and they handle the procurement, is not acceptable in the circumstances.
They can circumscribe it to leave areas outside of the terms of reference of the forensic auditors, no matter how professional they are. If they were not engaged to look at area A, then they won't look at it.
Even if PETROJAM puts together a good document for term of reference, there are people outside who will have doubts or question the process. So I believe for us to have total transparency and confidence in the work to be done, it ought to be taken out on PETROJAM.
The Permanent Secretary says the forensic audit is technical, and that's part of the reason PETROJAM did the TOR with a view of contracting a reputable company to do the work.
We felt that that particular investigation would need to be taken with the requisite industry knowledge.
Nonetheless, the committee had a list of requests. For one, the PAC wants the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency, the Integrity Commission and the committee itself to review the terms of reference before it's finalized and put to tender. They also suggested that the Auditor General or the Finance Ministry determine or supervise the process. For the Auditor General, there are two options for her office: be in full control of the forensic audit or not participate at all.